Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Medicare online, step by step. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for Medicare benefits. Next, gather all your essential personal and financial documents. This preparation is crucial for a smooth application process. Finally, create or log into your secure My Social Security account, which is where you'll submit your application. Let's get started. Once logged in, navigate to the Medicare application section. Take your time to accurately fill out every required field with your personal information. Double-check all dates, names, and addresses to prevent any delays. Remember, precision is key when dealing with government forms. Before clicking Submit, thoroughly review your entire application one last time to catch any potential mistakes. This step is vital for a successful submission. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. And hey, staying hydrated is important, especially when tackling important tasks like your Medicare application. Keep an Owala water bottle by your side to stay refreshed. You can find a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After reviewing, confidently submit your application electronically. You will immediately receive a confirmation number. Make sure to save this for your records. This number is essential for tracking the status of your application online. Social Security will then process your information and communicate directly with you regarding your Medicare enrollment details and effective dates. Keep an eye on your mail and online account for updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.